3. We have set the game audio a little lower. Took it from -20 to -22. We have changed the blue snowball. Excuse me. Got hair in my mouth. We set the blue snowball from -8. We decided on -13 with a noise suppression of -5. But we're going to see how this sounds as if I were actually playing now, because these are the settings that felt like they were okay. In my head, at least. So just run around. Open Pip-Boy. And then hopefully this sounds good, and hopefully this is... Move out of the way, dude. This is good enough. Let's try my usual against a sniper. Ugh, that recoil. And I also ended up scooting the monitor as far back as I could. I could possibly put it here. I'm not sure if I really don't want to move anything else. I don't really want to move anything else. I've moved so much stuff. We'll just have to make this work. I could even move this desk towards me more and be closer to this, but that would be a little precarious. But who's in my... What in the... There's a giant bear in my house. There's an albino one. What the actual hell? Why is there a bear in my house? I am so glad I wasn't in my house. Holy crap, that is frightening. My dude's just destroying all my stuff. Is there more than one bear? How are these bears get in here? How in the actual hell? I was gonna delete this one, because... What are they shooting at? This is so frightening. Is there like a family of bears? Oh, I'm so scared. Okay, that one's... Don't fall off the edge. Please don't fall off the edge. You fell off the edge. You did not fall off the edge. Is there another bear? Is there like a family of bears? What were they shooting at? Is there a bear in my bedroom? What the actual hell? I have never had that happen before. That has never happened. I have never had a bear spawn in my house. Ever. I was gonna go get some vegetables. Whoa, that's weird. I'm really, really glad I was not inside my house. That would have scared the absolute crap out of me. Like, I've already been scared once before. As funny as it may sound, by a bear. So yes, this is a good test of audio with the game in a real world situation, when bears can magically appear in your house. All right, we got all the stuff we need for our. Let's go ahead and cook it. Let's make some boiled water. It's gonna take me a minute to get used to sitting this close. This is at least 2 to 3 feet closer than I'm used to. Like, I was watching the monitor from back there on the Mac, and it looked great. It looked fine. grab ourselves some purified water. Oh yeah, we're making the vegetable starch, that's right. Cool. It's always a mud fruit I run out of. I'm gonna need to plant one more. Should I put a turret inside my house? On the randomized off chance that a bear spawns in here? Put a turret right here, maybe? Do I have room to put a turret? As far as like a storage space? Can I see the camp? There we go. I didn't know that was a thing. Holy moly. Holy moly. Defenses, turrets, and traps. Alright. Ooh, we are running out of room. Okay, we're just going to sneak a turret in. We're going to tuck it in right here. That's the first time it's ever happened, but if it ever happens again, we want to have some defense. So, it's going to look really weird. It's going to throw off my whole feng shui, but apparently massive giant bears can spawn inside your house. It's never happened before. The only thing I'm guessing is because I killed the one out here. Maybe it respawns where it dies, but somehow respawned in here. Ruined my door. How's my stuff? Do I need to repair my stuff? Because he was tearing my stuff up. Well, don't need to repair all. I can't repair anything, so that's a good thing. Alright, so that was a test. This is a test of what I hope the audio sounds like from me and from the game, balanced out, hopefully, in a way that is listenable and enjoyable in some way, with a little unexpected visit from a giant bear. So, okay.